Welcome to Ask a Lawyer with attorney Joey Franks at the Franks Law Firm in Jackson, Mississippi. His motto is more for you and less for us.
Joey, let's say I've been in a car accident. What if I don't know who caused the accident?
Well, as long as some kind of paint swapped, you likely have a claim. Because again, we can always go to the uninsured motorist coverage area and seek it out there.
What's the cost?
The cost for actually bringing a lawsuit varies from county to county, but you're looking at a price of somewhere between $150 and $200 just to do the filing. And that's why a lot of people come and hire an attorney, is they don't have that kind of money to bring up. And an attorney will work on what is called a contingency fee basis. And that's what the Franks Law Firm does quite often. And what that means is you don't pay us anything up front. We take care of it. And we get paid on the tail end. We get a percentage of whatever we recover for you. And that's how we're paid as personal injury attorneys.
So that first meeting, do I have to pay anything for it then?
Not a penny. You don't pay a penny for the first meeting, the second meeting, or the third meeting. Until we go to put money in your pocket, we don't get paid a thing. And in the event you don't get paid anything, well, we don't get paid anything.
Okay, well, getting back to that first meeting, what should I bring with me?
All documents you have related to the case. If you have photographs that you took with your cell phone, if you have emails between you and the adjuster, print them out, bring them. If you wrote down what happened, that is a great thing to do. If you get an offender bender, people have papers laying around in their vehicle all the time. And get a pen. If you don't have one, I'll send you a Franks Law Firm pen. And you write down exactly what you remember happened, because memory fades over time. And you need to get it out there so you recall exactly what happened. And all the documents you have pertaining to that, give them to us. If you received anything from your insurance company, from their insurance company, text messages, anything, bring it to the meeting. It's better for us to have it and not need it than it is for us to need it and not have it.
So what happens during that first meeting?
Well, what's going to happen is we're going to sit down and discuss your case in detail and the facts of what happened. And from there, we're going to come up with a game plan about how your case needs to proceed. And that is how the first meeting will go, is we're essentially mapping out your case together. And you will know and have an idea of what is going to happen. We believe in keeping our clients in the loop and letting them know what is happening step by step on their case.
What kind of personal injury cases do you handle?
We handle all kinds of personal injury cases. Whether you were hurt in a car accident, whether it was a slip and fall, you're injured working for a company in Mississippi, if you're injured working on the railroad, if you're injured working offshore, we handle personal injury. That's what we are about.
So is it possible to sue the city or county or the government?
You can absolutely sue the city or the county or the government in Mississippi, but you must act quickly. There's a statute of limitations for every case. And what that means is the law says you only have so long to bring your claim. And if you don't bring it within that time frame, it's like it never happened. For general negligence in the state of Mississippi, it's 3 years. However, if you are suing a city, state, or other governmental entity, you only have 1 year in the state of Mississippi, and there's a very precise way to go about doing that. Failure to meet any of those steps could bar you from any recovery whatsoever.
So what if I don't want to go to court?
That is a terrible approach to take, honestly, because you are passing up on your constitutional rights. You have a right to be heard. You have a right to be able to pursue life, liberty, and happiness. Therefore, do not be hesitant about going to court. That's why you're hiring an attorney, is to help you and be there by your side throughout the entire process and to make sure that you are okay. So if you don't want to go to court, hire an attorney, hire the Franks Law Firm. We will be there for you. We will stand beside you. We will guide you through this process every step of the way.
Thanks for listening to Ask a Lawyer with attorney Joey Franks at the Franks Law Firm in Jackson, Mississippi. Call Attorney Franks at 601-773-7777. His motto is more for you and less for us.